Hi, my name is Max. I'm going to be a junior in the college. I'm double majoring in computer science and linguistics, and here's my project, 300 words per minute. So what I have here is a steno machine, and stenography is kind of the art of typing phonetically, or rather shorthand, and where you would typically see this is usually in the courtrooms or for places where they do live captioning, so for like sporting events or just like live TV or like political debates. They'll usually have a stenographer on hand who will transcribe the events that go on. Normally, most people will type around like 70 words per minute, whereas for stenography, you could hit upwards of 300 words per minute. The world's fastest stenographer actually types at 360 words per minute. Learning stenography can also help to mitigate repetitive strain injury, which is something that a lot of Americans face when they're behind a computer for like 8 hours a day and they have to just be typing all day long, because if you're using stenography, you're actually typing a lot less to type a lot faster. I wanted to make stenography more accessible to the public, because normally stenography is actually locked behind a very huge paywall where a good stenography board can cost hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Using Jalardin's Makerspace, I prototyped and printed out some parts and wired them together to make a steno machine. And I wrote some firmware myself, as well as using open source code by a project called the Plover Project, which is trying to make open source stenography software. So I made my steno machine interface with that. In the spirit of kind of keeping everything open, I will be releasing the source code as well as the build files for the stenography machine for anyone else who wants to build their own and just wants to try it, or maybe someone who wants to tinker around, because honestly, I'm a tinkerer, and that's what I love to do. And you know, the lights and the colors, those are just cosmetic things that I put in for fun.